Namaste everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Kirti Bhatia and today we are diving into the exciting world of maze game adventures. In this exciting game, our mission is to guide a brave beetle through the intricate maze and lead it to delicious apple waiting at the end. But be aware, the path won't be easy. The beetle must maneuver carefully, avoiding any contact with the maze walls. If it does touch a wall, it will be teleported back to the starting point. Our challenge is to skillfully navigate the beetle through the twists and turns using our coding expertise to make each move count. And remember, once the beetle reaches the tempting apple, our victory will be secured. So get ready to code with us and conquer the maze claim to your sweet victory.
So here our first step is to select the sprite. So we'll go to a sprite section. We are going to select beetle. So as you can see on your screen, the beetle has appeared. Now the next step is to select for the background. As suggested that we are having the maze adventure, so we're going to look for a maze. Now see, this is the back. Now the next step will be to set the size of the beetle, to set the direction of the beetle, and to set the starting point of the beetle. So as you can see on your screen, we have set the direction of the sprite as 0. We have set the size of the sprite, our sprite, which is beetle, as 50. And we have set the location or the starting point of our beetle as minus 150 and minus 150, which is the XY position. Now the very next step is the movement of the beetle. So here the beetle can move in all the directions, which is up, down, right and left. So as you can see, I'm going to put a code using a while conditions mentioning all the directions that the beetle can take. So now as you can see that we have put the condition as while 1, which is till the time the while loop is true, it is going to follow some if conditions. Like if we're going to press the up arrow key, it is going to set the direction of the beetle as 0 and it is going to move 5 steps ahead. Now the steps can be taken as per your choice. It can be 10, 15. So now I'm running the code and let's see if our beetle is moving on the maze. So as you can see, I'm moving right, I'm moving left, I am moving up, I am moving down. But as you can see, it can cross anywhere. So there is no limitation that has been set as of now for the beetle. Now to set the limitations, we just want the beetle should not move on the black line because that's a wall for the beetle. So when it touches the line, we want it to come back to the starting point, which is the XY position. We need to set the one which we have set it here in the start. We're going to put as the same here. So let's put the code for the same. So as you can see, if it is touching the black color, so this is RGB colors that we have mentioned in 000. So all have to be 0, which means that it is touching the black color here. So again, we have initialized to the same direction and to the same starting point. Now the next condition would be that if it is touching an apple, now here we can see the apple is red in color. So as soon as it is going to touch the red apple, now what will going to happen? So if it touches the red apple, then obviously we can state either that the game is won, or maybe you can set some score or whatever the choice is yours. So here I'm going to put this statement that if the sprite is touching a red color, so as I told that these 3 represent the colors, which is RGB. So as specified 255, R will be the of the greater value, which means it is going to touch the white, it is going to sense the red color, and rest will be 0 because it has no connection with the other color, which is red, right? So as I say that it's all your choice whether you want to put some score or whether you want to say you won, or maybe you are saying game over. It's all your choice. So here as it touches the red apple, I just wanted to convey that my sprite should say that the game is over for 2 seconds. So yesterday also I have told that after comma you can put 2, 3, 5 as per your choice till the time you want it to display a message on the screen. So this is a complete program. Now let's run and see how it reflects. So now as you can see, if it is touching the black wall, it is coming back to its position. So as you can see, if we go here also, it is coming to the initial point. Now let's try and hover upon this maze and see if we are able to win this game. Just trying to escape through the walls, and let's see if we are able to win the game. And the message is coming as game over. So you may give the variations. Maybe when it is touching the black line, it should give a message. So see, as you can see, as soon as my beetle is touching the red apple, it is showing game over. Even as I said right now, if it is touching the black line, you can also say a message like oops, or maybe whatever you wish for. And this is how a complete game is done.
Thank you for joining me in this exciting maze game adventure. I hope you enjoyed learning and creating as much as I did. Remember, the fun doesn't stop here. Stay tuned for more engaging content, tutorials, and creative endeavors on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so as you never miss an update. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and keep having fun. This is Kirti Bhatia signing off. Namaste.